I chose to focus on is Unifix cubes. And I chose to do my activity for kindergarten, but I think Unifix cubes could be used for a lot of different grades. So the cubes are all the same size, as you can see here, but they are different colors. But these different colors don't mean anything specific. But you could, if you wanted them to, you could sort them out by color and then do different math problems with it if you needed specific colors. And they're also all the same size and shape. So the domains that I chose to focus on, the first one is operations and algebraic thinking. And for this one, I thought you could introduce like multiplication, addition, and subtraction with it. So for addition, you could have like 2 cubes plus 3 cubes. Then you put them together and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes total. And you could do the same for subtraction. If you had 5 cubes and you took away 1, then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes left. And I also thought it would work for multiplication, like 3 times 5. So I have, you can make 3 different stacks of 5, like grouping. So 1 stack, 1 stack, 2 stacks, 3 stacks, and then you could count how many total Unifix cubes you have, which would be 15. And then another domain, and with the operations and algebraic thinking, the multiplication with the grouping would be more higher level grades, and the addition and subtraction would be lower level grades, like your kindergarten through second. And the second domain I chose was measurement and data, and for this, I thought you could do different graphing. Like I saw how I did some research on them online, and I saw that you could have like them represent like a graph with the Unifix cubes like this. If you're graphing something, have each Unifix cubes represent one object or one person. I also thought you could use a balance and have Unifix cubes on one side and then your other objects on the other side. See how many Unifix cubes you would need for it to weigh the same as your other objects. And then another one was to estimate how long the measurement of things in real life. So if you were going to take like a phone, for example, you would connect them for how long you would think it would be, and then you could compare and see, oh, I probably need to add 1 more. So then you could count out your Unix cubes and represent length by them. And then for those ones, I thought the balance would probably be younger grades. And the graphing and the estimating lengths of real items would probably be your middle grades. And then another one I thought of was fractions. So for this one, you could represent it, that fractions is the domain, and I thought you could model adding fractions. So if you have this one, the colors would be kind of handy because you could use, like you could use this as 1/4. Like there's 4 total cubes, and there's one that's a different color. And then, so you could add it to another one. This would be 2/4. So you have 4 total and 2 one color. So then you could think, because they have the same denominator, so you would just add the blues. So then you would have 3/4 when you add them together. So then, and I would think the fractions would be for like middle or older grades. And then my activity that I have is for kindergarten, and with this one, I thought of the word problem If John has 5 oranges and Katie has 3, how many do they have together? So you have your 3 oranges that Katie has plus your 4 oranges that John has. So how many total are there in these two groups? So then you can count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for 7 total oranges. So yeah, that's Unifix Cubes. Thanks for watching.